What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is your boy Elijah. Welcome, you made it, fam. So today this video is going to be for a lot of my builders out there. So I just came back from DeFi Con and this sparked and lit a fire in my booty, and this made me just very excited to build in Web3 and the entire space of crypto, and it just gave me an insight as to what careers are going to look like. So today I want to talk to you about how you can continue building if you want to keep building, if this is your first time trying to build, if you don't know how to approach building in Web3, you don't know what it means to be a developer in Web3 or crypto, you have no idea what's going on, but you're interested, stick around because I'm going to dive deeper into the details of how you can launch your very own crypto project in a matter of 2 days. Yes, 1 weekend you can launch an NFT project or a DAO project, and I'm going to show you how I was able to do it with zero blockchain experience, but I did have some JavaScript experience, but it didn't play too hard into it. So you can most definitely do this. If you have zero experience, you can launch your own project, and I'm going to show you how. So first, look at my screen here. If you haven't seen this video I made about Buildspace in the past, don't worry about it. We're going to dive deeper into it, but if you do want to get some other insights, make sure you go check that video out. Before we get into the video, make sure you smash that like button, destroy it. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. It's going to continue motivating me to make videos like this that are going to be super informative and very insightful. So anyway, let's get right into the details. As you can see on my screen here, Buildspace has a whole variety of projects that you can check out. You can see here, you can build a Web3 app using Ethereum and Solidity. You can also mint NFT projects with Ethereum. You can see here Solana. You can learn how to use React and Rust. You can ship your Solana NFT project as well. You can build your DAO. You can also build on Avalanche. So there are a lot of things you can build here. So you have some time to work through this. I also talked about working in Web3. So if you wanted to get some jobs, Buildspace is actually super connected with every company they have on this list. Uniswap is huge DEX. If you want to work at Uniswap, maybe. There are a lot of other things here going on here too if you want to check them out. But these OpenSea, if you're interested in NFTs, as you can see here, Phantom, like huge project is Phantom right here in my browser. It's a wallet. But anyway, I'm going to show you and walk through what it is that I was able to accomplish. So as you can see here on my screen, I was able to build myself a project, and I'm going to pull it up here. Vercel.app. As you can see, this is my NFT project. It says here, most of us just want to live a fulfilling life in the midst of chaos. Despite knowing the world that is promised to us, fear creeps in and steals from faith. This project is a learning experience for me as a developer, documenter, and investor in my vision of my world promised to me. So this is my project that I will be launching in a few months. I'm still thinking about a few things regarding the project, but anyway, this is going to be very awesome. As you can see here, it's not going to let anybody mint because it's not available yet. It is going to pull this up to approve transaction. As you can see, this is how it works. Just showing you a quick demo, but we're not currently able to mint anything because, as you can see here, I have a countdown, and this is when these NFTs are going to be available. So you can essentially build yourself a page like this. You can make it more awesome than what I made. You can make it beautiful, add pictures, add colors. This is just a simple page. You connect the wallet, and as you can see, it charges people through the blockchain. So this is the main important part of this project. You are able to set up something that connects to a wallet, a page that connects to a wallet, and allows people to basically mint your NFT project that lives on the blockchain network. So how do we go about doing this? So first things first, we connected a web app to Solana, and we hooked up a wallet, our wallets. So in our command line, our CLI, we built the Solana, we downloaded the Solana CLI, and we hooked up our wallets, our developer wallets, our local wallets, our computer to Solana's network, and we deployed an NFT, something called an NFT candy machine, which is something that actually was built by Metaplex, a different company. It's like the Shopify of NFTs in a sense. If you know what Shopify is, it makes it easy for e-commerce websites to build on top of Shopify, and you can build a website, you can keep track of your inventory, you can do all those things very easily without worrying about the code. So the same thing, Metaplex extracted all that code and they make it easy for you to build an NFT project using them. So that's what the Candy Machine is, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in a technical side. But then we also just allow users to mint NFTs with the button that you saw here that says mint NFT, and that's going to allow people to mint NFTs. And then we also did some drop timers. As you can see here, there is a drop timer, and there are some other things like a sold out state that I can't show you because this project is not live, and you know, it's we're not able to mint these yet. But essentially, this project, if you follow the guide step by step, as you see, I finished the entire thing complete. You will launch a full project. You will launch a full project. So because I launched a project, they also give you a nice little NFT as a reward, which is pretty cool. So that's nice. And in order to ship this project, you will be using Vercel. It's going to help you deploy your thing online. As you can see here, this is what I just showed you. It helps me deploy it. You hook it up to your GitHub where you push the code, and then you're able to essentially get through. So just to show you a quick peek at the code base, so I'm hopping into code right here. And as you can see, these are actually the NFTs. So there are 5 NFTs, and each is a PNG and a JSON file. So the PNG and JSON are connected. So the JSON tells what the name of the NFT is, what the symbol is, and some other things. I think I might be able to show you if I'm still on Dev Network. I am. As you can see here, this is the one, Harmony, as you see here, and the second one here, Solana, as you can see here. And we're gonna go back to the code base, and we're gonna see this one is Harmony, and Harmony, Solana, second one, and Solana. So pretty cool, right? I know. Awesome. So these are the assets, these are the NFTs, and you're going to be pushing that onto the Candy Machine again. And what is the Candy Machine? This is the Candy Machine's code. It's pretty complex, but also not so crazy. Just to not discourage you, all of the code that you need is going to be provided to you. It's just a matter of understanding how it works. But every single piece of code in here will be provided to you by Buildspace. You just make edits to how you want your website to look from a front end and feel perspective. But when it comes to the logic and everything else with the website and the NFT itself, you don't have to worry about coming up with any new idea. Everything is pretty much set up. All you have to do is put it in the way that you like it. So this is the Candy Machine. As you can see here, I don't want to go too much into details, but there are a few things going on here. And I'm going to go down to some important things, getting metadata, getting token wallet. As you can see here, pretty important things, mint token. There's another function here. And there are a lot of different instructions on how to mint tokens. And it keeps going. But don't worry too much about it. It's not anything crazy. This is going to be provided to you, like I said. And not to go too much into the code, this is more for the timer. This is how it's calculating that timer that I have set up, and that is complete. That is just this component right here, the timer logic. So we're gonna go back to the code base again, and the final thing I want to show you is what's being popped up. So as you can see, whenever we want to set up, it checks if the wallet is connected, and that's how we get to this page here. If your wallet is not connected, you will not be able to get into the mint page. First, you need to collect the wallet. That's how the logic of this works. And you can see this is how wallets are connected. Connect wallet function. It talks to Solana, the blockchain itself, as you can see here. And very interesting stuff. As you see, these are the texts that I have on screen. Maktub, most of us want to live a fulfilling life, etc., etc. I have that here. Anyway, cool stuff. So that is the code that I wanted to show you. There it is. So why am I making this video? Well, I want to basically motivate anyone that's out there to really think about becoming a Web3 developer or Web3 builder or Web3 thinker. Anything, work in the Web3 in the crypto space. It's amazing. It's just insane what you're able to put together, work with, build on. Just really, really interesting things going on in this space. But also another thing I want to talk about is compensation. It's very, very huge in this space. You know, if you want to become a Web3 developer, there are a lot of opportunities for you to get paid. As you can see here, the yearly average salary is in the 100Ks, or at least close to the 100Ks if you're in this space as a Web3 developer. A lot of the things I just showed right now is mostly front-end development. We did all of that through React and JavaScript, as you saw in the codebase.js. As you can see here, just to show you quickly, if you know JavaScript, see 70K to 100K. Now let's go down 60K to 120K, and these are remote positions. Remote. You know, this is great. JavaScript 100 to 160K in the UK, and the list. And these were just posted a few days ago. JavaScript 60 to 120K remote. You can apply. These jobs are posted a couple days ago, as you can see here, 23 hours ago, 1 day ago. So go check these out if you're interested in Web3.career, or just go on Buildspace and hop on one of these opportunities they have here. The opportunities here are endless. Another compensation I want to show you is like end goal state. As you can see, this is Harmony. This is a blockchain out there that I'm super excited about. I have a validator running on Harmony. If you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. We need more delegators on our Harmony network, so check us out. Just to show you, so they're looking for 5-year experience, which is I know it's pretty high up. You know, full-time gig, 250K total annual, 150K base salary, 100K in bonus for tokens. But then the interesting part becomes semi-annual performance bonus up to 100% over base compensation. So you're able to earn every 6 months up to your entire salary. So you're able to earn an extra $300,000 a year with this compensation. You get full medical, you get 401k, max matching, international traveling because it's a remote position. It's very interesting. 20K for referrals after 80 days on job. So this is crazy. The numbers here are insane. If you do the math, you're probably getting paid $500,000 or more in this position, and these are mostly going to be senior positions. But it's just something pretty interesting to look forward to if you are, you know, a junior dev looking to become a senior dev, and you're not sure about where you want to kind of take your career after your junior years. Look into Web3, man, or gal or lady. You know, it's crazy exciting to be in this space. But I just wanted to show you, it took me 2.5 days ish to build out this project. So you're able to build in Web3, you know, from scratch. I didn't really have much knowledge in this space, but as you can see, I was able to put up a project that will be going live in a few months. If you stick around, it's going to be an awesome drop. So I have cool, amazing ideas about how I want to go make this NFT. The utility behind it is going to be super interesting. You know, if you are a part of this channel, you're part of this journey, make sure you stick around and check this out, because you don't want to miss this NFT drop. It's going to be pretty small drop, but it's going to be super important to me, and I'm going to make sure anyone that's a part of it is going to get a bang for whatever they invest into it. And I'm not talking money, I'm talking time, I'm talking effort, I'm talking community, I'm talking anything that you invest into this, you will get 100x back in return. So, just said a lot. Anyway, it was your boy Elijah. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you loved it, if you liked it, if you find it interesting, make sure you destroy that like button. Share it with a friend that you think also could find it insightful. If you think they should be a developer in Web3, let them know. Let me know in the comment section if this was helpful at all to you. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you don't forget to subscribe, because you don't want to miss anything that we have coming next. Anyways, your boy Elijah, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!
Don't speak to no one but the facts to the masses.